All right, guys, today I want to talk to you about kind of a specialty or unique process inherent to handheld laser welding, and that's through sheet. All right, so a lot of times people are stuck with having to resistant spot weld, plug weld, rivet, especially in cosmetic applications. Their customers may not like those dimples of spot welds. And so the laser, instead of maybe making a fillet weld, we can fire the laser straight through that top sheet into the bottom sheet and fuse those two without needing an actual weld seam access. This seems to be very applicable instead of doing edge welds on a flange seam, all right, we can turn that gun 90 degrees and fire through one flange into the other, really reducing the amount of tolerance needed to have that perfect weld seam. All right, guys, that was it. That was 2 sheets of 1/8 inch, no access, no plug hole, just straight through the top sheet into the bottom. And it's like a laser nail gun, all right? We're gonna take this. All right, so if you guys have applications or joining processes that are rivets, adhesives, spot welds, the laser could be a viable option for those applications. If you're curious of more applications that the laser is a good fit for, head on over to millerwelds.com.